All right, in 2 minutes, I'm just going to show us something to know how G is going to behave. This is a probability setup, and if you watch, you will see that G has been behaving in a very particular way. Sell, come to a particular demand level, buy, and then so you can call this an equal high. This equal high around here. We have equal high around here, and then you see that there was a change of character after this point. So let me show you. We had the price coming to this point, and then we had it come back to this point, which is the supply, went back to this point. We got to this point, and then we saw that price broke through, right? Broke through, came back to retest that zone, broke through again, and it's coming back. So there are two things I'll be expecting to happen. One is this: I'll mark out the key level. I'll mark out the high that was created after that change of character. See that we had an high here. I'm going to change the color so that it can be different. This on the daily time frame, mind you. So you see that is a high, and then we can have a weak low around there too. So remember, I'm looking at formation of structure. You see that we had a structure around here like this, and like this, like this. So I'll be expecting price to break through this point before taking off this high. So this is what I'll be looking at, and then you can see that we have here to mark out. So I'll be looking at this area to mark out. The reason is because we have what's it called, a space, a gap that needs to be filled around here that was not filled before the weak rejection. So price will need to come back here and grab some liquidity before we move up. So let's check it on the 4 hours time frame, and then we'll see something. All right, so it's much more clear. All right, so it's easy. So what I will do here basically will be to mark out my key levels. We'll see that we have one around here. So we have one around here, and if you watch, you will see that price reacted when there was a pullback. Price reacted back to that key level, and then we had a force to pull it back, which served. So this point is serving as our supply, and then we'll have a demand around this level. So since I'll be having my demand around this level, I will still mark out another, I call it like a secondary demand level. So this is also a key level. So there's possibility for price breaking through this other. So let's mark it. Let's change the color so that we can be seen very clearly. So there's possibility that price will break this key level and come to this demand that is here. Maybe take up liquidity before possible buy. So I'm looking at it coming back to this point, then before taking out this weak high that was created here. So this is just what I see for GU happening this week. Remain flexible. Thank you.